So we'll make one program. We will make one program here to read the name of the student, his marks in the 3 subject, and print his result. Result will be what? Percentage, okay? Pass or fail. Okay, so how will you do this? First, name of the student, then we'll say input, okay, enter the name of student. So what we have to do is we have to take the name of the student, then marks obtained subject, 3 subject, then you have to find the percentage, okay, but before that you have to apply the condition that he should be passed in all the subjects, okay. That condition we have to apply. Student, enter the name of the student, okay, so you enter the name, it will be treated as input. Then next you have to say subject A, we'll say int input will take the marks as an integer. So I'm writing int. Okay. Input, enter the marks in subject A. Subject A. Okay. So complete the code. Similarly, I will tell him or her to write for remaining 2 subject, and I will call this subject to B. Also here subject to B. Then here C. Okay. So please, why I'm telling it to enter as an integer, because then a comparison becomes easy. Okay, comparison becomes easy when there comes the condition of equality. Okay, now he has entered the name, he or she has entered the marks, but now what we have to do is we have to print the average, or you can say percentage, only if the student is passed. So how will you go? How will you go now? So I'll say if, condition is what? If A is less than 40. In our case, the marks less than 40, the student is fail. Okay. If A is less than 40, we can say we can print. Okay. Print percentage is fail. So I'll write outside percentage and then we'll write the name. And then number 3, what is the problem? Input. So you have to write input bracket is there. Okay. And double bracket here. Double bracket here. Input, there is a one bracket here. Input, there is a bracket. Here it is double bracket. You also try it your end. What happens when we start from the scratch is that it takes time. I can copy paste very fast. So I made earlier this program, but not now. Okay, so I cannot copy paste. Okay. So we have to check simultaneously, okay, for 3 subject, okay. If any subject is fail, okay, print percentage is fail. Okay, just run. Line 6. So what is left here? After condition, we have to give a colon. Okay, if A is percentage is percentage name. So I write here name of the student Sachin, marks 40, 40, 44. Okay, so it will not go to that loop. So we have to make 3 conditions. If any of this is okay. So what we have to do now? Student is fail. How will you check 3 conditions? How will you check 3 conditions? The first condition we check. Else if B is less than 40. So what are the condition we have to check? First condition we have to check if it is a fail in A. If it is he is fail or she is fail in the message will come. Again, you have to check the failing in the B. Again, message will be printed. To give tab here. Again, we check for subject 3. Elif C is less than 40, colon. Then you can see print that percentage is fail. So insert that again concatenate and you combine together the name. So following student is fail. I can write like this. Okay. So if this is not happening, then I will say else. Then what you have to do is you have to find the average. Okay. So average, I will say D. So, but it understand that A, B, C are in integer, so we need to convert everything to the float. So I'll say float A plus float B plus float C. Okay, divided by. So to find the average, we have to divide by the same number. So we were dividing by the 3. Then you see print percentage of 10 R. percentage point to F. What I'll say percentage D here. Okay. Plus, it's in the code by code complete. X. So it will be that. Enter the name, it is Sachin. Marks 44, 45, 50. Percentage obtained are by Sachin. So just give it a little spacing. And the name Sachin. Percentage, I will fill in some subjects so that I can check. Following student is fail. Okay, so it is giving the condition that student is fail. So I will again run name. Please understand the program made by me and program made by you may be different, okay, but it should have the same out. So we have to check for each and every input. Now I will pass in all subject, but I will fail in one last subject. It should be following student is fail. Okay, so you try this program at your end. Okay. So we'll stop here. Tomorrow we'll not take any session. But we'll take session on Sunday, 10 to 12 in the morning. Sunday, 10 to 12 in the morning. It is an advanced session. If you're interested in advanced topic, you can also ask the person who is actively working in the machine learning. Okay, you can ask the question to him. Okay, Mr. Ahmad Khatib from the Hyderabad will deliver the lecture. Okay, on Sunday. Okay, you can try this program and just copy this program to the WhatsApp. Okay, you can try it your end. Okay. You can also modify this program. So we are printing the percentage of student only if he is passed. If he or she is not passed, then we are printing. If he is not passed, then we're printing that the student is fair. If he is passed, and then we are finding the percentage obtained by the student. Okay, so we'll stop here. Thank you. Please, this is very introductory training, but we have arranged one lecture on the Sunday for advanced topic. Okay, so if you have any question, doubts, you can ask the expert who is actually working in the machine learning. Okay, your doubts. Okay, so I'll stop here. Thank you.